Good morning to one and all. My name is Dr. Jagadish, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, T. Dasralli and Basangudi. This is the program for BCA second semester Mathematics. So, Numerical and Statistical Methods for Bangalore University. Today, session number 8. The topic is bisection method. In bisection method, so we are finding the roots of the equation correct to the decimal places. The decimal places means, see after that 1.12, that is after point. So if you take the 2 digit, that is the 2 decimal places. If it is after point, you can take the 3, that is the 3 decimal places. That type of problems we can find in this method and in this session. The first example, we can find a root of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equal to 0 by using bisection method correct up to 4 decimal places. Means 4 decimal places means after point we get the 4 digit that is same between the consecutive two numbers. Up to that we can find. So therefore in solution, let f of x, given function is x cube minus 4x minus 9. You find the root between a and b. So therefore you take that x is equal to 1. F of 1 is 1 cube minus 4 into 1 minus 9, which is equal to minus 12, negative less than 0. And find out f of 2. F of 2 means 2 cube minus 4 into 2 minus 9, which is equal to minus 9 less than 0. And then find f of 3. Replace x by 3. 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 9 equal to 6 greater than 0 means, so we can find the root that may be consecutive, positive and negative. So f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive, we can stop it. Therefore, so what is that our conclusion? F of 2 is negative, f of 3 is a positive mean. Therefore, the root lies between 2 and 3. Therefore, we can find the first approximation, x1 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b. A is 2, b is 3, that is, so 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 by 2 is 2.5. Find out f of x1. The x1 is 2.5, f of 2.5. In the f of x, replace x by 2.5, that is x cube minus 4x minus 9, that is 2.5 whole cube minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3.375 less than 0. So the positive values f of 3 will take only the previous. So I get negative means this previous is we have to choose the positive. Suppose if we get the positive, you choose the previous negative. So here is less than 0. The previous positive is f of 3 is greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 2.5 and 3. Therefore, the second approximation x2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.5 plus 3, which is equal to 5.5 divided by 2 is 2.75. Find out f of x2. x2 is 2.75, that is x cube minus 4x minus 9, that is 2.75 whole cube minus 4 into 2.75 minus 9, which is equal to 0.796875, which is positive greater than 0. And next, take the negative. The previous step negative is f of x1 value, that is x1 is f of 2.5 less than 0. This is positive and negative. Therefore, the root lies between 2.5 and 2.75. Therefore, the third approximation x3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.5 plus 2.75, which is equal to 2.625. So therefore, f of x3 is equal to f of 2.625, that is x3 value, which is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9, that is 2.625 whole cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9, which is equal to minus 1.41210 less than 0. Third, next positive value is f of 2.75 greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 2.625 and 2.75. Therefore, the fourth approximation x4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.625 plus 2.75, which is equal to 2.6875. Therefore, f of x4 is 2.6875. So I substitute in the function f of x cube minus 4x minus 9, that is 2.6875 whole cube minus 4 into 2.6875 minus 9, which is equal to minus 0.33991 less than 0, negative value, therefore less than 0. And f of 2.75 is positive. So therefore root lies between 2.6875 and 2.75. Therefore the fifth approximation x5 is equal to 1 by 2 into this two root, sum of the roots, 2.6875 plus 2.75. Simplify, you get 2.71875. Next, we can find f of x5. x5 is 2.71875. So that value is equal to, in substitute in f of x, that is x cube minus 4x minus 9, which is equal to 2.71875 whole cube minus 4 into 2.71875 minus 9, which is equal to 0.2209 greater than 0. You find the negative value is, sorry, you have to change the symbol. So because negative value is 2.6875 in the previous, therefore the root lies between 2.6875 and the positive value is 2.71875. Therefore, so the sixth approximation, x6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.6875 plus 2.71875, which is equal to 2.703125. Then you find f of x3, x6 value is 2.703125. So in the function x cube minus 4x minus 9, replace x by this value, that is 2.703125 whole cube minus 4 into 2.703125 minus 9, which is equal to minus 0.0610 less than 0. The positive value in the previous step, that is f of 2.71875 greater than 0. So less than and greater than values is, that is root lies between. So 2.70325 and 2.71875. Next, find the seventh approximation. x7 equals 1 by 2 into 2.70325 plus 2.71875, which is equal to 2.7109375. Then you find f of x7. The x7 is, so just we find it, that is 2.7109375. Substitute in the x cube minus 4x minus 9. So 2.7109375 whole cube minus 4 into x is, so 2.7109375 minus 9. After simplification, we get 0.0794, which is positive greater than 0. Then you find the previous step negative values, f of x3, that is f of 2.703125 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between in this, that is 2.703125 and 2.7109375. Next, eighth approximation, x8 equals 1 by 2 into 2.703125 plus 2.7109375, which is equal to 2.70703. Then you find f of x8. So that is f of, so x8 is 2.70703. That is substituting the x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.70703 whole cube minus 4 into 2.70703 minus 9, which is equal to 0.009026 greater than 0. And f of 2.70325 is less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 2.70325 and 2.70703. Therefore, the ninth approximation, x9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.70325 plus 2.70703, which is equal to 2.70507. Means after this 2 point, okay, 2 point, we have to correct the 4 decimal places. Therefore, continue. F of x9 is equal to, x9 is 2.70507, which is equal to 2.70507 whole cube by, that is x cube minus 4x. So 4 into 2.70507 minus 9. So simplification is minus 0.026 less than 0. The positive values f of 2.70703 greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 2.70507 and 2.70703. Therefore, the 10th approximation, x10 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.70507 plus 2.70703, which is equal to 2.70607. You just see that 9th and 10th. So 4 decimal. So we'll again one more step we require. Therefore, so that is 4 decimal places. So therefore, the required approximation is 2.7060. 2.7060. Next example, find the positive roots of the equation x cos x is equal to 0. By using bisection method, we have to correct to 3 decimal places. Therefore, given function f of x equals x cos x, then you find f of 0. F of 0 is 0 minus cos 0. 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. That is minus 1 less than 0. Then you find f of 1, 1 minus cos 1, which is equal to 0.45969, which is positive greater than 0. Therefore, f of 0 is negative, f of 1 is positive. Therefore, root lies between 0 and 1. Therefore, the first approximation is x1 is equal to 1 by 20a plus b. A is 0, b is 1, that is 1 by 2 is 0.5. Then find f of x1. x1 is the 0.5, f of 0.5. So in the f of x, replace x by 0.5, that is x minus cos x. The 0.5 minus cos of 0.5. Again, you find this in terms of radian by using a logbook, or it may be a scientific calculator, which is equal to minus 0.37758, which is a negative less than 0. Then you find the positive value of the previous step. So that is f of 1 is positive, that is greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0.5 and 1. Therefore, second approximation, x2 equals 1 by 2 into 0.5 plus 1. 1.5 by 2 is the 0.75. Then find f of x2. The x2 is the 0.75. In the f of x, replace x by 0.75. That is 0.75 minus cos x is cos 0.75, which is equal to 0.018311 greater than 0. So it's a positive. You find the negative in the previous step, that is, so f of 1 is 0.5, that is f of 0.5 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.5 and 0.75. The third approximation is x3 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.5 plus 0.75, which is equal to 0.625. Therefore, you find f of x3. x3 is equal to, so 0.625. So x minus cos x, substitute 0.625 minus cos of 0.625, which is equal to minus 0.18596 less than 0. The positive value in the previous step, f of 0.75 greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.625 and 0.75. Next, we can find the fourth approximation. x4 is equal to 1 by 2 into a plus b. A is 0.625 plus, so 0.75, which is equal to 0.6875. Then find f of x4. x4 is 0.6875. You substitute in the x cos x, that is 0.6875 minus cos of, so 0.6875, which is equal to 0.85335 less than 0. And the positive value in the previous step already is the carryover, and f of 0.75 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0.6875 and 0.75. Therefore, the fifth approximation, x5 is equal to 1 by 20a plus b, that is 0.6875 plus 0.75, which is equal to 0.71875. Then you find f of xy. x5 is equal to 0.71875. Substitute in the x cos x, that is 0.71875 minus cos 0.71875, which is equal to 0.033879, which is negative less than 0, and f of 0.75 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0.71875 and 0.75. Therefore, sixth approximation, x6 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.71875 plus 0.75, which is equal to 0.73438. Then you find f of x6. x6 is equal to 0.73438, which is equal to x minus cos x, which is equal to 0.73438 minus cos 0.73438, which is equal to 0.007863, negative less than 0, and f of 0.75 greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.73438 and 0.75. Therefore, the seventh approximation, x7 equals 1 by 2 into a plus b, 0.73438 plus 0.75, which is equal to 0.742190. Then you find f of x7. So x7 is 0.742190. Substitute in the f of x, x cos x, that is 0.742190 minus cos of 0.742190, which is equal to 0.0051999, which is positive greater than 0, and negative value in the previous step, that is f of 6, that is, so f of 0.73438 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.73438 and 0.742190. Therefore, the eighth approximation x8 equals half into a plus b. So half into 0.73438 plus so 0.742190, which is equal to 0.73829. Then you find f of x8. X8 is 0.73829, which is equal to x minus cos x. So which is equal to minus 0.0133305 negative. The positive in the previous step is x7, that is f of 0.742190 greater than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 0.73829 and 0.74290. Next, you can find the ninth approximation. X9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.73829 plus 0.742190, which is equal to 0.7402. Then you find f of x9. X9 is equal to 0.7402, which is equal to x minus cos x. After simplification, we get 0.0018663 greater than 0, and the negative value in the previous step, f of 0.73829 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between this to 0.73829 and 0.7402. Therefore, the 10th approximation x10 is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.73829 plus 0.7402, which is equal to 0.73925. Then you find f of x10. X10 is equal to 0.73925. Substitute in the x minus cos x, that is 0.73925 minus cos 0.73925, which is equal to 0.0027593 greater than 0. Negative value is f of 0.73829 less than 0. Therefore, root lies between 0.73829 and 0.73925. Therefore, 11th approximation x11 equals 1 by 2 into 0.73829 plus 0.73925, which is equal to 0.739. You just see that. So 10th and 11th. So after 0.3 digits are similar, we'll stop it. Therefore, the required approximation so for 3 decimal is the point. So 0.739. The next example, find the root of the equation x cube minus 4x minus 9 equals 0. By using the bisection method, we have to correct the up to 4 decimal places. So given function x cube minus 4x, f of x equals x cube minus 4x minus 9. Then you replace x by 1 to find the root. So 1 cube minus 4 into 1 minus 9 equal to minus 12 less than 0. Find out f of 2, 2 cube minus 4 into 2 minus 9 less than 0. F of 3 is, so replace x by 3, 3 cube minus 4 into 3 minus 9, which is equal to, sorry, not minus 9, it's a plus 6. Okay, so 27 minus 12 minus 9, which is equal to 27 minus 9 is 18, 18 minus 12 is equal to plus 6, so which is greater than 0. Therefore, root f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive. So here is the sign is there, it is a positive 6. Okay, therefore the root lies between 2 and 3. Therefore, the first approximation x1 equals 1 by 2 into a plus b. A plus b is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5 by 2 is equal to 0.5. Then you find f of x1, so which is equal to f of 2.5, which is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.5 whole cube minus 4 into 2.5 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3.375, is a negative less than 0. And positive value is f of 3 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.5 and 3. Therefore, the second approximation x2 equals 1 by 20a plus b, that is 2.5 plus 3 equals 2.75. Then find f of x2. F of 2.75 equals x cube is 2.75 whole cube minus 4x, 4 into 2.75 minus 9, which is equal to 0.796875 greater than 0. And a negative value in the previous step, f of 2.5 less than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.5 and 2.75. Therefore, the third approximation x3 equals 1 by 2 into 2.5 plus 2.75 equal to 2.625. So then find f of x3. x3 is 2.625. So f of 2.625 is x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.625 whole cube minus 4 into 2.625 minus 9, which is equal to minus 1.41210, which is a negative less than 0. And f of 2.75 is greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.625 and 2.75. Therefore, the fourth approximation x4 equals 1 by 20 a plus b. A plus b is, So 2.625 plus 2.75, which is equal to 2.6875. Then you find f of x4. x4 equals to 0.6875. Substitute in the x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.6875 whole cube minus 4 into 2.6875 minus 9. After simplification, we get minus 0.33991, which is a negative less than 0. And f of 2.5, the 2.75 is a positive greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.6875 and 2.75. Therefore, the fifth approximation, x5 equals 1 by 20a plus b, that is 2.6875 plus 2.75 by 2 equals 2.71875. Then you find f of x5. x5 is equal to f of 2.71875. Substitute in the x cube minus 4x minus 9 in the given f of x. So we get 2.71875 whole cube minus 4 into 2.71875 minus 9. After simplification, we get 0.2209 greater than 0 and f of 2.6875 greater than 0, not greater than 0, it is less than 0 in the previous f of x4. Therefore, the root lies between 2.6875 and 2.71875. Therefore, the sixth approximation equals x6 equals 1 by 20a plus b, that is 2.6875 plus 2.71875, which is equal to 2.703125. Then you find f of x6. x6 is 2.703125. Substitute in the x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.703125 whole cube minus 4 into 2.703125 minus 9, which is equal to minus 0.0610 less than 0. And f of 2.71875 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.703125 and 2.71875. Therefore, the seventh approximation x7 equals 1 by 20a plus b. A is 2.703125 plus 2.71875 divided by 2, which gives 2.7109375. Then you find f of x7. So f of x7 is equal to f of 2.7109375, which is equal to x cube minus 4x minus 9. So after simplification, we get 0.0794, which is a positive greater than 0. Then you find the negative in the previous x6, f of 2.730125 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between 2.770325 and 2.7109375. Then you find eighth approximation, x8 equals 1 by 20a plus b. So that is a is 2.703125 plus 2.7109375 divided by 2 equals 2.70703. Therefore, you find f of x8. So f of 2.70703 x cube minus 4x minus 9, that is 2.70703 whole cube minus 2.4 into 2.70703 minus 9, which is equal to 0.009026 greater than 0. And negative values in the previous step, that is f of 2.703125 less than 0. Therefore, the root lies between this positive and negative, that is 2.70125 and 2.70703. Therefore, the ninth approximation x9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.703125 plus 2.70703. So divided by 2 gives 2.70507. Then you find x9. x9 is f of 2.70509. Substitute in the x cube minus 4x minus 9. That is 2.70507 whole cube minus 4 into 2.70507 minus 9, which is equal to minus 0.026 less than 0. And f of 2.70703 greater than 0. Therefore, root lies between 2.70507 and 2.70703. Therefore, the 10th approximation x10 equals 1 by 20a plus b, that is 2.70507 plus 2.70703 divided by 2 gives 2.70607. Therefore, the required approximation is 2.7060. We have to find the 4 decimal places. You compare this. 2.705060 is that. Therefore, 2.7060 is the required answer. Next, an exercise problem. Find the root of the equation x cube plus x bar minus 1 equals 0 by using bisection method. Correct to 3 decimal places. The one more example to work out. Find a root of the equation 2x is equal to 3 plus cos x by using bisection method. Correct up to 3 decimal places. And these are the references. This completes the session number 8.